Okay, so we're going to do our last kindling. And last time we discarded egg number 1. So let's see, we got egg number 4. Ooh, it feels heavy. Oh, look at the egg sac, or the air sac. Yeah, we're not going to be able to see inside that egg no more. But it is heavy. And it's got a predominant air sac right there. Now that's egg number 4. 4, we're going to call that solid with air sac. Number 5 feels heavy. There's an air sac. It's heavy and solid. That's 6. There's the air sac. It's heavy, solid, very heavy. 7. Another air sac. Slightly off center. Same. 6, same. Slightly off center. Here's 8. Very solid, good air sac. There's 9. Very solid, good air sac. Wait a darn minute. 9. So 8. 9. Now we're at 2. Solid. Really good air sac. Nice and heavy. 3. An off-center air sac there, but a good one. See, that should have been 3. Yeah. Then we've got 4. Solid, heavy, good air sac. Okay, now 10. Feels heavy, solid, good air sac. That's 10. 11. This is the big jumbo egg. Oh no. 11 didn't make it. Yep, 11 died. What a shame. That was the Rhode Island Red. What a shame. I was looking forward to that one. So 12. 12 feels heavy. Yeah, good air sac development. Nice solid, good weight. Good, so now we're down to 10 good ones so far. Well, let's hope we get 10 healthy chickies out of it. Alrighty. Be well.